Walnuts, with their hard shells, are full of nutrients and healthy fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. In today's video, we're going to show you the benefits that you can get from eating walnuts. They detoxify your liver. Maybe you don't know, but walnuts contain large amounts of glutathione, an antioxidant that is also produced in the liver and aids this organ's anti-inflammatory and detoxifying processes. They improve your heart's health. Walnuts are rich in nutrients that are great for your heart's health, such as omega-3, vitamin E, magnesium, and folate. The fats present in walnuts raise your good cholesterol levels and lower your bad cholesterol levels. Eating walnuts regularly has proven to be efficient in reducing inflammations in your heart arteries, which helps prevent heart diseases. They improve your brain's health. Walnuts are known as brain food, and that name's not due to their brain-like shape. Walnuts are rich in fatty acids, iodine, and selenium that improve brain function. Studies have proven that walnuts can reduce inflammation in the brain, as well as neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. They fight cancer. Walnuts are great at fighting cancer due to their antioxidant properties, which give them the ability to protect our bodies against prostate, breast, and colon cancer. They help you lose weight. Since they are rich in proteins, good fats, and fiber, they make us feel full for longer. They are also a great snack for curbing hunger. They control diabetes. Studies have shown that regular walnut consumption has a positive impact on people with diabetes. They will also help you reduce the risk of heart disease and maintain a healthy weight. They strengthen your bones. Walnuts contain minerals such as magnesium, copper, and manganese, which are great for your bones. They also contain alpha-linoleic acid, which can fight inflammation, thus preventing bone loss and protecting your body from diseases such as osteoporosis. In order to benefit from all this, you should consume 30 grams of walnuts a day, or 6 to 7 whole walnuts. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.